no. Oh, no, no, no. I'm in New York. I don't speak English. I don't understand anything. What am I gonna do?
One phrase. That's all he needed. One phrase saved his entire trip.
Can I get a coffee? Can I have a room? Can I buy you a drink? One phrase. That's all you need.
Native Tone Radio Theater. Tonight's story, the magic phrase, a day in New York. Hey everyone, I'm Olivia.
And I'm Liam. Nice to meet you.
If this is your first time watching us, welcome. You found our English podcast channel.
We want to help you learn English, and we want you to hear English more often.
No boring grammar, just real simple English.
Real conversations, real English, and maybe some funny jokes from me.
Mostly his funny jokes? Yes.
If you want to support us, please subscribe to our channel.
Like this video, share it with your friends.
It really helps us.
Thank you so much. Really.
Okay, let's start.
Today Liam is going to tell you a story about a man who spoke no English, but still survived New York.
That man is me. Let me start from the beginning. Oh man, I survived the flight. Now what? Where's the exit? I don't understand anything. I need help. Okay. You can do this. Find the exit. Just find the exit. Oh, there it is, finally.
Liam, is that you?
Sarah, what are you doing here?
I live here now, but you look terrified.
I am terrified. I can't understand anything. I can't say anything.
You don't need to say much. You just need one phrase. Can I?
One phrase, that's it.
That's it. Repeat after me. Can I get a coffee?
Can I get a coffee?
Perfect. Now listen. You can use this for everything. You want something? You need help? You want permission? Can I?
Can I say, can I have a better hotel room?
You can. But they might say no.
Okay, I will start with the SIM card.
Good idea. Start small, then grow. Now go. First, get a SIM card, then taxi, then hotel. Just say, can I? Trust me, you've got this.
Thank you, Sarah.
Liam walks into a small phone shop. His first test.
Hi there.
Thank you. How can I help you?
Can I get a SIM card, please?
Sure. Prepaid or monthly?
Prepaid, please.
How many gigabytes?
Can I get the cheapest one, please?
Good choice. That's $10.
Oh, can I pay with card?
Of course.
I didn't.
Liam walks out of the shop. He sees a yellow taxi. He raises his hand.
Can you take me to the Grand Hotel, please?
Grand Hotel? Nice place. You on vacation?
Yes.
First time in New York?
Yes.
You don't talk much, do you?
Can I just look out the window?
All right, fair enough.
Okay. That was not so bad. One more phrase. Can you take me to the hotel? It worked.
Liam arrives at the hotel.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to the Grand Hotel. Do you have a reservation?
Can I have a room for 2 nights, please?
Of course. Do you have a reservation?
Can I have a single room, please?
Yes, but I need to know if you have a reservation first.
Oh. Can I make a reservation now?
Yes, you can. That's exactly what I needed to hear. Single room, 2 nights, $150.
Can I pay with card?
Of course, here's your key. Room 204.
Thank you. Can I have breakfast in the morning?
Yes, breakfast is from 7 to 10.
Perfect, thank you. I did it. SIM card, taxi, hotel room, all with one phrase.
Liam walks to his room.
I am a genius. Okay, maybe not.
Liam finally rests, but not for long. In the hallway, Liam sees his neighbor.
Hey man, do you know what time the gym opens?
Can I check for you?
You don't know, do you? That's okay, I'll ask the front desk.
Can I come with you? I need to ask for a wake-up call anyway.
Sure, let's go.
Liam is hungry. He goes to a small bar near the hotel.
Can I get a beer, please?
What can I get you?
Can I get whatever you recommend?
Good answer. Here you go.
Thank you.
Is this seat taken?
No. Can I,
Can you what?
Can I buy you a drink?
Wow. Smooth. Yes, you can. So, what do you think of New York?
Can I say it's very big?
Yes, it is very big. Is this your first time?
Yes.
Where are you from?
Spain.
Your English is very good.
Thank you. Can I tell you a secret?
Of course.
I don't really speak English. I only know can I.
What? Really? That's amazing. You traveled all the way here with just can I?
And a little bit of courage.
That's actually really impressive.
2 hours pass. They laugh together. She touches his arm. He forgets that he can't speak English.
I have to go. Early meeting tomorrow, but
Oh, okay.
can I give you my number?
Can I? Yes. Yes, you can.
You're funny. Here,
Thank you. Can I call you tomorrow?
I'd like that.
Emma leaves. Liam looks at the napkin in his hand. A phone number.
I came here with nothing. No English, no plan. And now I have a SIM card, a hotel room, and a girl's number. Can I get another beer?
Here is a quick cultural note. In America, people say, can I? It's friendly and direct. In the UK, they say, could I? It's more polite. And a pronunciation tip. When native speakers say, can I fast, it sounds like tene. The A disappears. Listen, can I get a coffee? Can I get a coffee? Try it. You don't need to sound perfect, but it's good to know. Now let's quickly review what you learned today. 1. Can I get something? Use it when you want to buy or order. 2. Can I have something? Use it when you need something. 3. Can you do something? Use it when you need help. 4. Can I do something? Use it when you need permission. That's it. 4 ways. 1 magic phrase. Now it's your turn. Write a sentence in the comments using can I. For example, can I get a window seat on the plane?
We read every comment. We will reply to you. Don't be shy. Just try.
Before we say goodbye, let me tell you a quick story. A student named Maria from Brazil traveled to Miami last year. She spoke almost no English, but she learned 1 phrase. Can I? She used it at the airport. Can I get a window seat? At the hotel. Can I have a late checkout? At a restaurant. Can I have the check? She didn't speak perfect English. She spoke brave English. And that is exactly what you can do too. Next time, the restaurant disaster. Liam goes on a date with Emma.
He orders fish. They bring him chicken. Again. But this time, Emma is watching.
If you enjoyed this story, hit the like button, share it with a friend,
And subscribe to Native Tone Radio Theater. New episode every 2 weeks.
Until then, keep practicing, keep listening.
And remember, you don't need perfect English, you just need 1 phrase. Can I?
Goodbye.